Today we will look at how to understand your verification results on the RJS i5000 barcode verifier with the 3 different scan heads. First, we will look at the CR2 or CR3 scan head. This is a partial ISO analysis verifier for linear barcodes measuring decodability only. It does not measure reflectance values of the barcode. I will use continuous mode for this example to get several reads of the same code. After reading the code, you will see the symbology type and what information is encoded in the barcode at the top. Next, you will see the overall grade. This is the important section where anything with an overall grade of 1.5 or higher signifies your code has passed the worldwide standard. Since this scan head does not measure reflectance, there is no aperture size, and the light source was at 660 nanometers. Next, you will see the number of scans and how many of those scans decoded, and since this scan head only measures decodability, you will only see grades for decodability. To further dissect the barcode, you can select the decodability line and see what the decodability grade was for each scan that was taken. Hit select to exit this screen. This scan head also checks a few other factors such as application compliance, reference decode, quiet zones, and check digit if your barcode type has a check digit calculator. The next scan head is the Optic. This is a full ISO analysis verifier for linear barcodes. For this example, I will use a 3-scan average. After reading the code, you will see the same information as you did with the CR2 scan head, plus the other ISO parameters that involve reflectance measurements. We have the symbology type and encodation, then the overall grade with 6mm aperture, 660 nanometers light source, number of scans and decodes, and then all your ISO parameters below. Just like with decodability, you can select other parameters to see which scan had the best or worst grade in that particular parameter. The last scan head is the camera. This is a full ISO analysis for linear and 2D codes that fit within the field of view. I will show a 2D sample for the camera head as there are some slight differences compared to the linear codes. You will see the same general information near the top, such as symbology, encodation, overall grade, but you will also see a couple different parameters compared to the linear codes. For 2D codes, you will see the parameters such as unused error correction, axial non-uniformity, grid non-uniformity, fixed pattern damage, and print growth is also a graded parameter. If you wish to see the results of a previous scan, arrow over to the Report tab and scroll through to select a previous scan. Scans are listed by date, time, grade, and barcode encodation. The i5000 saves the most recent 1000 scans before it starts deleting the oldest scans. To output your verification results from the i5000, you will need either the TP140B printer or VCIR software. This concludes our walkthrough of your verification results on the i5000. Please see our other videos for more information or contact us for further questions.